Artoonza.
Hey, little artists! Before we do a single thing, go ahead and tap that like button. Do it for me. Do it like your pet fish is watching and judging every single move you make. Okay, now picture this. It's the most perfect sunny day ever. The birds are singing their little hearts out. The ice cream truck is like 2 streets away. And right there in the park stands the most glorious thing a kid could ever lay eyes on. A slide and a swing. And today, we are putting them on paper forever. Not just on weekends, not just when it's sunny, but always. We're drawing a slide and swing so gorgeous, the real playground might actually get jealous. And if your little sibling tries to climb on your drawing, politely remind them it is fine art. But oh boy, we are so not done. Right after this, we are dropping the most gorgeous, drippy, colorful paints onto this masterpiece. So stay right here. Let's go! Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. Dropping in red. Because red is the color of that one fearless kid who spots the tallest slide, elbows straight to the front, and shouts, "I'm going first." Bold, brave, a little extra, and completely unashamed about it. Give us a big thumbs up. That kid is the heartbeat of every playground. And honestly, that fearless kid might just be you. Light blue! The wide open sky above our playground. Breezy, bright, and cheering you on to swing just high enough to touch the clouds. Pink is in. And let's be clear. Pink is not just for princesses. It's for every kid bold enough to love something this sweet and fully own it. Pink is that bubbly, giggly feeling when you finally reach the front of the slide line. Joy in a color. Sweetness in a brush stroke. It belongs here.
So cute.
Smash that like button now. Light green. The soft, fresh grass right beneath the swing. The very patch you land on when your jump goes just a little too far. Don't worry, it happens to everyone. Nature's own playground carpet, springy, cool, and perfectly alive. Grand finale, purple and yellow. Purple for the royal magic every great playground deserves at the end of an epic day. Yellow for the sunshine that made this whole perfect adventure possible. Together, the ultimate dream team.
Wow!
Our slide and swing, officially a masterpiece. Big kiss, superstars! Wait, don't go! Click another video. We've got crazier drawings hiding here.